guys, this is just our LiPo safe bag. Quite often we have batteries, like some of our products, and they need to be recharged, and you're cycling them the whole time. For example, like a forklift, a sort of wireless system. Could have a battery powered camera, and you run in 2 batteries, so you've always got one battery on charge and also one on the forklift when it's in operation. These are just like LiPo safe charge bags. You throw the battery in here, you can just run the cable through here, zip the bag up, just so it's always sitting in here when it's charging, because hopefully they never go wrong. But there's plenty of cases around the world where lithium batteries can have issues. Could be a bad power supply, the battery could have taken a knock, could just be a bad battery, who knows. But if it's in here, you're not going to have a battery fire. It's going to contain the fire. This is obviously a design specifically for lithium batteries, and to charge them in here. So that is why we have these, just like safety. And so if you are charging batteries and you do need something like this, always very handy to have.